In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize annotations in Tableau. Annotations are a simple but powerful way to guide attention, explain a spike or dip, or document why a data point matters. They sit right on your visualization, so the context is always visible to your audience. Before we begin, make sure you have your worksheet open and the view you want to explain is on screen. Start by moving to the exact location where you want your note to live. This could be a specific cell in a heat map, a bar in a chart, or any data mark that you want to call out. Right-click directly on that spot. Right-clicking on the mark itself ensures the note is tied to that data element, so if your view changes with filters or dates, the explanation stays attached to the right place. From the menu that appears, hover over Annotate. You'll see three choices: Mark, Point, and Area. Mark creates an annotation linked to a specific data mark, which is ideal for calling out one bar, dot, or cell and letting Tableau automatically include key label information. Point pins a note to an exact coordinate on the canvas, useful when you want text in a fixed location that isn't tied to a single data point. Area lets you describe a region, like a cluster of outliers or a time window, by drawing a box and adding context. For this walkthrough, we'll use Mark because it's the most precise and most commonly used when highlighting a single insight. Click on Mark. An editor window opens. This is where you write the message your viewers will see. Keep it clear and purposeful. A short sentence that describes what's notable, and, if helpful, a metric and time frame is usually enough. You can also adjust basic formatting in this window to keep the note readable against your chart's colors. Aim for concise language. Avoid jargon, and make the note additive. Explain the "so what" behind the value, not just the value itself. When your text looks good, click OK. Tableau places the annotation on the view and connects it to the chosen mark with a subtle leader line. Because it's a mark annotation, it remains data-aware, updating as your filters or slices change while still pointing to the right insight. This makes annotations great for storytelling, and for helping colleagues quickly understand what to look at without scanning the whole chart. That's all there is to it. Right-click where you want the note, hover over Annotate, choose Mark, and click OK to confirm. Use annotations sparingly, write them with intent, and keep them easy to read. With these steps, your dashboards will be clearer, more persuasive, and easier for audiences to interpret at a glance.